This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Caleb Rogiers. Impeccably maintained Jensen Beach pool home for sale. 4-bedroom, 3-bath CBS home has an open floor plan, high ceilings, and a light, bright interior. Enjoy entertaining on the covered lanai or playing in the pool. Entry foyer opens to the living room and formal dining room. Adjoining kitchen has plenty of counter/cabinet space, stainless appliances, breakfast bar and pantry. Comfortable family room is a perfect spot to watch TV or chat with the cook. Master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. Dual sinks and vanities in the master bath. Mother-in-law suite bedroom west separate cabana bath. Great for investors and residents alike. No HOA restrictions. Please find seller's disclosures and pre-listing inspection attached for more information. Review the details below or contact Caleb Rogiers at 772-236-5858.